Hello and welcome back to Life, Beauty, and Soul. Today we have a quick video. We're going to be doing an unboxing. My first Boxy charm. This is the January 2019 Boxy charm. So I'm very excited. I have taken a peek in the computer, so I kind of know what I'm going to be getting. Well, what I can possibly be getting on the box. But before we go there, if you're new to my channel, welcome. I try to upload every Monday, God willingly, and as I'm getting better at this, we will be adding more content to the channel during the week. So before we go to the Boxy charm unboxing, let's do our little Monday nugget. This Monday nugget is gonna be kindness. Kindness in this world is so sorely needed. I am blessed to live in a state where when you're walking down the street, you're gonna have a good chance that somebody will look at you, maybe greet you, and at least give you a smile. And that is something that I really appreciate and I really fell in love with. One of the first things I fell in love when I first moved to Oklahoma, and is how friendly the people are. But kindness goes beyond that. Kindness is not just opening the door for somebody or holding the door open for somebody. Although a very kind gesture, kindness going beyond that. Kindness is having a genuine interest. To me, my definition of kindness is to have a genuine interest on that person that is across from you, on the people that is across from you. A smile, a hug, a how are you doing? You know what? A help if you've seen them struggle with something. The tone of your voice when you talk to them. Because the tone of the voice has, I think it says more than what the actual words that you're saying. And that is something that this year I'm really trying to grow. It's in kindness, especially in my family. You know, I'm a working mom. I work 40 hours a week, and I'm tired when I come home. And I have been dealing with some pretty difficult people sometimes during my day. So kindness is not the first thing that comes out of my body language and my voice, the tone of my voice when I get home some days. And that is not right. That's not fair for my family, my girls and my husband, because they should be the ones that are treated the best. So kindness to me this year, to practice that, is to make sure that I leave all that stuff behind during my commute. And when I come home, my face expression, the tone of my voice reflects a sweetness, a love, the love that I have for my family. And as far as other people is making sure that it's a genuine connection with them during the day, during the week. So yeah, kindness to known people and to strange people, or strange people, strangers, those who we do not know. A smile. Good morning. How are you doing? A compliment. Like your shirt, like your shoes. A genuine compliment now. Don't be saying I love your hair when you're really not liking that person's hair. That'd be lying. So anyways, let's move on to our Boxy charm unboxing. Again, this is the January 2019 box, and everything comes in the little box. So this box, I guess theme is Boxy and chill. I love that. I love those colors. I really do. In fact, you know, my channel has this pretty purplish background. And it's, again, it's a card. Tells you everything that you got in the box and the prices for everything. Ooh. All right, so the first thing I'm gonna pull out is the Biojo Don't Despair Repair. And it's a Strength Moisture Living Mask. Ooh, for the hair. I wonder how it smells. Give me some shine too. But yeah, Biojo. Like the smell. I guess this is a 2 ounce, $16. Let's see what's next. Okay, it's a lip product, and this is the Ofra long-lasting liquid lipstick in Havana Nights. And this is a, what is this? Like an ox blood. I'm sorry, that was from another video. If you like this look, this is my full face Maybelline look, and that's the next video coming up. Yeah, you know what? Let's try it. It's not gonna match my look, but I want to try it when I wear it for real. I'll be lining my lips because it is a red. It's a deep red, and so, oh my goodness, did y'all see what I just do? This is lovely. Oh, oh my God. Let's fix that. Glad I still have my tools here on the table. Again, please don't hate on my mirror. It's a pretty color. I like it. Yeah. I like it. Pretty dark. Okay. Ooh. I don't know. It doesn't say it's matte. But it's looking pretty matte to me. So Ofra, I really like it. Let's see how long it lasts. If it's gonna dry my lips. It's not sticky. A little bit, but not too much. It's $20. Okay, so the box itself is $21. Right now we have $20 right here with the Ofra lipstick. And the 16 for the Brioche. $36. And the box is $20. And I still have 3 more things to show. So yes, I know everybody knows it's a good buy. It's a good buy, especially, you know, to try new things. Next thing I have in my hands here is the Starlux. And this is the brown Ultra Luxe Longwear Eye Pencil. Ooh, in brown. During the week, I like to use brown in my eyes. Sometimes I line the upper eye. I line it with black. Or a darker color, but to do the lower line, I like to go with brown. It's less harsh and still gives me the definition on the lower lash that I want to feel like, you know, to get your eye look complete. So it's one of those mechanical pencils, and let's see. Oh, okay, and it's a dark brown. Perfect. Perfect, perfect. Let's see. I don't think I've ever heard of this brand. Starlux Longwear Eye Pencil. Starlux expands into a mechanical eye pencil with a launch exclusive to BoxyCharm. This is an exclusive. The intensely pigmented formula delivers a beautiful color that lasts all day. Ooh, good. Very interested. The easy to extend and retract pen makes application and continuous use seamlessly easy without ever having to use a pencil sharpener. And this is something I really like. You will rarely see me using anything that has to be sharpened. I hate sharpening pencils, so I always look for good retractable pencils. So Starlux in the brown eye pencil. These retails for 19 bucks. So again, where are we at? See, 36, 40, 50 something. We'll tally it up at the end. And the next product is Tatcha, and it is the Luminous Dewy Skin Mask. Ooh, it's a sheet mask. Yes, and this is for normal to dry. I love paper masks. Face mask. Let me move this box out of the way. So yes, very interested in this brand, and these are MSRP $24. $24 for only one? Probably. Excited to try these tonight. Let's see, nourish skin from within using lightweight blend of rice germ oil, vitamin E, essential fatty acids, and highly concentrated botanical oils and extracts. Each mask is designed for a maximum for maximum absorption, delivering 20 milliliters of skin quenching serum and imparting an instant dewy luminous glow. Nice. A scientifically perfected trio of fermented Japanese anti-aging superfoods like green tea, rice, and algae instantly restores skin's health and radiance. Very, very interested in trying this. Yay! All right, and last is the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea 3 palette. This is the first thing I saw that was coming in the box, and I'm very excited. I've been wanting to try Tarte eyeshadows because I do have the Tarte shape tape. So I did jump in that wagon pretty quickly after it came out. Don't know if I have the glorious reviews that everybody has given it, but anyways, let's open it, shall we? Has a little plastic thingy. Ooh, okay. I needed this mirror earlier when I was filming the look, but here it is. Cover that mirror. Yes, it's pretty neutral, so it's probably gonna be really good like for weekdays. Oh no, probably not. Ooh, date night. So let's swatch some of these. This is gonna be in a weird spot. This is the most matte one, which is not truly matte, satin look, and it's really close to my skin tone right there. And then let's see, Malibu and Heat Wave is this one. I really like that one. These two. This one is that Jewel, and I think I have Jewel in like 3 or 4 palettes, something really similar to that. And the last one is, what did I say? Escape. And Escape. Really excited to try the Tarte eyeshadows. This retails for $36. Again, remember the box with all the products is $20, $21 a month. And this alone is $35. I'm gonna go old school, folks. $35, 16, 19, 24, 2, 3, 4, and then who am I missing? And then 20. Okay, so $114. This is a really awesome box. I mean, look at all you got. It's for $21 plus tax, whatever your state tax is. And I believe the shipping is free. I do have a code that I will be linking below. And it won't give me money. This is not an ad. This is not sponsored. Again, these people don't know who I am. The only reason why they know me is because I purchased the box. But every time you do, every time you subscribe, you get a code. It's a referral code, and I believe I'm gonna get like what, 5 charm points, something like that. So if you choose to join Boxy Charm, and you want to use my code, you're very welcome. I'm really excited. If not, just go to BoxyCharm. What is it? BoxyCharm.com and subscribe to the box. I really think this month is very much worth the $21 a month. And I want to say I did the 3 months. Ended up the more you do, the cheaper the box is. So my box, because I did it on a 3-month subscription, ended up being 19 and change for the box plus the tax. So yes, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. This is my very first one. Again, we're learning. I'm new at this. I hope that I get better as I go. I mean, the plan is to get better. Come on, as we go. So I'm very excited to try this goodie. You know what? Maybe I look with all of my new January Boxy Charms products. Video idea. Gotta put in my journal. Okay, so if you're new to this channel, again, welcome. And I hope you like. Give me thumbs up and subscribe. press that little bell so you can get notified when I upload videos. I am working on logistics on a recipe video, really quick recipe that's coming soon. Until next time, I am sending you lots of love and blessings. Mwah.